Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like and to subscribe to my video. So today my daughter Aliana is gonna braid my hair. My hair, guys, is actually a mess, and I don't want to be blow drying it. So I definitely would like you guys to follow along while she's gonna wash my hair first, and then she is going to do some crochet braids. So if you're watching for the first time, this is the first time on my vlog, don't forget to like and subscribe. So since I have you guys can't see me that well, but since I have real bad psoriasis, and so I have this siloparos, that's what it's called, Ali. And I bought the sulfur 8 really doesn't do nothing for me, but I am buying it because I'm about to put in braids. But what's gonna make it even more better, you see my hair, how it's getting so weak? I'm gonna be using the Bond Repair, the OGX, the shampoo and conditioner. So this is definitely gonna be a game changer for me. So see. I need a moment, yeah. I need a moment, girl. I love JoJo. I wish I could tell you. Yeah, okay. Done? I'm gonna put the conditioner on you now. I'm gonna show them first. Let me talk for you. Guys, I'm so grateful I have this little girl here. I'm telling you. She come home from school and she'll comb my hair. She'll comb my sister hair. I've been so grateful, guys. It's amazing. My hair got the best massage. It feels so good. It feels so fresh. If you have psoriasis, you know what I'm talking about, guys. It's the best feeling ever. Well, now she's gonna braid it, so come along with me for the braiding part, okay? Okay. It's kinda hot, girl. Take your time. I don't want it to burn you, girl. Whoa. Are you seriously kidding me? I'll show you, guys. I'm eating some food, guys. Sorry. Gabby. She's eating all my stuff. actually time now after she literally, because you know I have psoriasis, so she has to take out the dandruff. She can't put moisturizer in it. She can't put gel because it's gonna flake after a day. And so currently she blows it out and it looks amazing. See, it looks good. So I'm waiting on her now. Just that. Look, my ears is red, guys. That's from the blow dry. But we're almost ready. do me ear and look which part her foot there.
My foot sick. It needs to rest.
Ali, your foot not half of the up there so.
Mommy, but you know my foot is sick.
Yes, but it's sick, but it not sick so long, Ali, if it up there so in my lap, Ali.
Yes.
You just a punish me.
The elevation feels good.
In my lap so long, Ali.
Mommy, I was already in your stomach.
Ali, don't play with me.
I was in your tummy.
Ali, out of my stomach 21 years ago. You want listen to me, Pitney. No bother with the phone. Take your foot off of me.
Mommy.
Ali, no bother with it.
Mommy, my leg. It needs to be elevated.
Elevated for me.
Soon done, baby.
Look at.
Baby, soon done, baby.
Ali, that problem, dog. Ali.
Soon
Listen,
done.
hurry up. Our last piece left now. Just plot it down.
You need one more.
Jesus have mercy.
Mommy, no, we actually do need
Father.
one more. No, this is the last one.
You think okay, I know punishment? You think me no punishment, so I punish. Your foot in my lap. Yeah, no, it's okay. Just go on, man. Just finish. Can't no part.
Mommy, please stop.
Me no punishment I get, but
this is not punishment.
Oh, laugh, man, laugh. Y'all jiggle your foot in my lap. Ali, fix it, cut. Just finish. Come in on a sense. Me I that.
Mommy.
Just go on, man. Enjoy it, man.
Oh, I've been broken. You see, you're done. Now I'm gonna put this back here.
Ali, you can't take out your foot out of my lap now.
Just give me a sec.
Ali, take out your foot. Take out your foot.